Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September, and we'll see what are the tarot messages for you in the coming week. All right. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Aries for the coming week from 14th till 20th of September. Okay, so let's see what are the messages, please. Okay, one more shuffle. Okay. So in your environment right now, it's Six of Swords. So it might be, you are moving away from a conflict zone and you are moving towards the calmer waters right now. So this might be an environment where you just want peace, you want clarity, and that's all. So what are the obstacles? Queen of Wands is an obstacle. So might be a determination to build your own empire. When you really want to move towards something stable, you have to leave behind good stuff behind, basically. It might be a good job. You might be an entrepreneur over here. It is looking to me as, coming from a higher post towards a lower post, just because to find peace, because you were so busy. It was like, it was good with paying money. Might be a job of yours, but it's like, it's looking as if you were in a state, it was more of, there were conflicts, there were fights daily. It is more of that situation when we have to leave that good home with all the facilities and everything to, and it's like coming below that thing. A priority which is needed right now is more about your calmness. It's more about your mental peace, I would say. That is why this is a resistance right now. Yeah. What is the situation over here? The Moon. So this is the foundation of the situation, which you don't want to look at. So this might be in your subconscious, and the Moon talks about subconscious. So this is something very different. We'll see what it is. What's in your past? The Strength card. So this is something, you were here with, okay, so both are Leo energies over here. You might be dealing with a Leo, or you might be a Leo yourself. This is like, you have made this by doing a lot of work in your past. You came here to this position of Queen of Wands. It's like you made that level, you professionally, or in someone's life as well. You did a lot of work in this, dear. Yes, and that thing is now actually, you are just want to leave the situation now. You want that I'm not here to make people happy. It's more about my mental peace, my security, my happiness. What about that right now? So that is why you don't want to stay in the situation, because this is the first card, and I would say it is the strongest. This is more about the whole situation. It talks about it all, okay, right now in the situation of yours. Okay, let's see what's in your mind. Is the Four of Cups. So this is your goals, you are aware of this thing. So this is something which you are doing yourself. So with the Four of Cups, I would say that this is like rejecting that thing now. You are more in that zone where you just want balance, you want peace, you want emotional peace and balance. Basically, emotionally you are not well, and that is why you want happiness. You are seeking happiness within now, and that is really good, because you have understood that all these outer things, these materialistic things, they will not make me happy. I have to be someone else, not someone else. I have to be happy myself. So that is why you are working on yourself, I'm seeing over here. With the Four of Cups, you might be even rejecting a big offer. You know, after Queen of Wands, they might be offering you a King of Wands position, like from assistant to manager and higher degrees. So you are no, you are saying no to that. Basically, you don't want something right now like this kind of a thing. This is more about happiness. If this is a person in your life, you're rejecting someone, yeah, because, and you are willingly rejecting this person or the situation. It's not your cup of tea right now. Let's see a future card. Nine of Wands, so rejecting again. So your future also, it's telling me that you are going to be consistent at this thing. You are going to say no. You are continuously gonna say no, because you are working on yourself. You are tired of all this hustles and bustles of daily life. You are more about that, you know, your security matters a lot to you. Your guards are up over here. You want security, you want balance, and that is why you are being protected by yourself over here. Okay, let's see how you see yourself. The World. So it's like, you know, there's a process which is changing in yourself only. Within you are changing. With the World, it's like a cycle completing, because it is 21, and 21 is the last of the major arcana, and it comes back to zero from the Fool, that new beginning, that enthusiastic energy. So it's like you are end with this particular thing. You are done with this thing, so you want to end it. Yes. How people see you, surroundings. Knight of Pentacles. People see you as very determined, might be a little stubborn over here, because you are in that energy where you are saying no to the materialistic world, I would say. You are saying no, and you are saying yes to your inner balance. So this is something people are seeing you as this, that, you know, this person is not changing. This is what this person is doing to himself. This is something the people are looking towards you like that. Okay, so your fears right now. Three of Cups. So your fears, or this is some kind of a secret which you are keeping away from other people, and so this is like, you know, with the Three of Cups, it's, yeah, it's like you really want to retire now. You want to be happy. See, this is a card of reunions, you know, family reunion, friends reunion, being happy with your friends, you know, those reunions, those happiness around you. You are missing that thing, and that is why you want to be happy, because all this big things, they don't give you happiness. You know, they give you money, but they don't give you the happiness, the satisfaction which you actually need. So last card of the outcome, the Eight of Wands over here. So this is the result, or it will actually, what will you gain from this experience. So this is what you'll gain, you know, Eight of Wands. So if you are really ready, you are determined towards this particular thing, so it will going to happen the way you want it to happen. Okay, let's clarify some cards over here. I want to clarify the Moon over here in your foundation. Why the Moon is here in the foundation, please. Judgment and King of Wands. Yeah, so Queen of Wands with a lot of Wands energy. That is you, Aries. You are being very fiery. You are this is your energy. So yes, so a decision has been made in the subconscious mind, you know, something which you don't want to accept. A decision regarding this King of Wands, I would say that regarding someone. See, Queen of Wands with the King of Wands, it's like that you are here and you're resisting. You're already resisting this kind of a change where you don't want to be in that place of higher authority. And if someone is offering you this, I just told you, I guess, with the King of Wands category, and you have the decision has been made, but it is still in the subconscious. Okay, you know that you are going to reject it. You know that you are rejecting, you are saying no to other, you are even saying no to the advice of other people over here. People are telling you that accept this offer, this is something, you know, which you always wanted, but right now no, you don't want this. All you want is happiness within. So that is why this is your subconscious energy. Your intuition is telling you to not go towards this thing, although this is something very huge, something you always wanted, but you don't want to go towards that particular thing. Okay, let's see why the world is here, how you see yourself, how Aries see themselves. 7 of Swords, yeah, I got it, and 5 of Swords. Okay, so you are seeing yourself as a very selfish person. You are thinking that I am doing something, you know, which is not accepted by the society, which is not accepted by the people around you, not accepted by your family, friends. Everyone is telling you, what are you doing? Are you out of your mind? Like, all of a sudden you always wished for this particular thing, and when it is coming towards you, you are saying no to that. So people are actually telling you, and you are actually feeling the same thing, that you might be selfish, you might be, you know, you might be leaving the situation yourself. This is how, because you really want to just, you know, end the process. You have become someone else, I guess. You know, that monk who sold his Ferrari. So this is that kind of a situation right now. You want to become a monk, not monk, but more about your inner happiness, which you actually feel about it. Okay, let's see why the 8 of Wands is there in the outcome. 6 of Cups. Okay, nostalgia. You know, your past is calling you with the Chariot. Yes, and you are moving fast towards, because see, this is that card where, you know, when we were kids, it was like, what kind of things made us happy? You know, eating an ice cream, or buying a pastry, having a pastry, or some kind of small things they used to make us happy. And that is why when the money is in front of you, when everything God is actually giving you, you are not accepting it. You want something like a child. You want to be a child again, and you want to go and live that kind of a life. So this is that, you know, whatever experience which you have taken over here, the outcome is going to be like this. And it's up to you how you want to see yourself, and this is how you want to see. You want to be a child free energy kind of a person. Okay, Aries, so that's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.